Well, after the defeat against Karela United, OGUM set unwanted record Kumasi Asante Kotoko. OGUM personally also otnase na ore assessing your mind just record we dey eni nyai pa a record ben ehwasem ewa ha mede bro ewofie ha super 24 TV mfacho unsubscribe ya no hit the rest subscriber tip no about do man so Abdul Fattah Safiu Kumasi Asante Kotoko ex-player na this year Kotoko sign no na Fufi Antoata injury sense me by na terminate contract no. Since then case no has been with the PFAG, particularly media minimum no enyanko Ghana status committee, player status committee, but PFAG for and ajenyoma akentren so wa make a cryptic post on Facebook na post no amount for say we moving on and because she say you know it was a sa na ade de time no nso ya sa nyankopon hihye ya nyankopon na nhihye enti ni post no enso ewa ha ye de bebrel ewo fie ha me say aha no super 24 TV unsubscribe ya wadara no hit the rest subscriber tip no about do so social media no for the super 24 TV Facebook and Instagram ye Kumasi blog man and now Kumasi Asante Kotoko again elusuye on the bounce 2 times against Karela FA Cup and at this time league afiwe washe Kotoko papa first round no Kotoko ebo 1-1 ewo Babayara Sports Stadium benti ohe OGUM first coming now in 2021-2022 season on Karela board draw and a second round no omo board draw and this season so first round omo board draw and a second round MTN FA Cup washe Kotoko washe OGUM and nanu ya enra wasa share OGUM. What it means is say 5 meetings are OGUM and the Karela Asian. Untimi enwini ba akokra. No, it becomes an unwanted recorder. Coach behind you are person obey sa record no crack. 5 meetings against Karela OGUM intimi enwini ba akokra. It's quite unfortunate. Because say Kote Emmanuel Kote. I believe the OGUM now tonight no a reassessment. First round and I'll offer him no Kote by. Now I'll offer about it on the bench. Now we use Justice Blade on the right back. Well, Safiu Mohammed also didn't say to ya. My memfa Safiu Semono Emma quickly and Sana moving on. Or saying sometimes Allah holds you back until the road is safe and clear to continue. Or say to the bia Nankopo so mudo koachi or copem say a quine mubedaho. Be grateful for his protection. The radia say for Nahobambo and trust that what is meant for you won't pass by you. Then Nankopo Mujidi said, the Washishama Ubiano, in Chamun Koda. Na Alhamdulillah regardless. The Etibiano yeda utumfo Nyankopon ase. And know your message from Abdul Fattah Safiu na amount for commenting as and is it watching who was na enya dia on the Kotoko ebetwema nso bia ekobasa na utumfo Nyankopon ene yeda nase.